Let's get real. Your 9 to 5 might be paying the bills, but it's not the key to true wealth. If you're serious about breaking free from paycheck dependency and building real financial security, it's time to learn how to grow wealth outside of your job. First things first, you are not your job. Too many people tie their entire financial identity to their salary, thinking that their income limits their potential. But here's the truth. Your job is just one source of income, and relying solely on it can actually hold you back. Why? Because when all your money comes from a single source, your growth is limited to what someone else decides to pay you. Wealth comes from creating multiple streams of income. Relying on just one paycheck is like trying to build a house with only one wall. Sure, it might stand, but it's never going to be secure. If you're only looking to your job for wealth, you're playing small. It's time to start thinking beyond your 9 to 5 and get serious about creating financial security for yourself. If you are new to building wealth outside of your job, start small. Side hustles are an incredible way to generate extra income without quitting your day job. And no, you don't need a huge investment to start. Freelancing, for example. Are you good at writing, graphic design, or social media? Platforms like Upwork or Fiverr allow you to offer your skills on the side, and the demand for freelance work is huge. You can set your rates, start with smaller jobs, and build up over time. Then you have online selling. Do you have unused stuff? Start by selling items on eBay or Facebook Marketplace. This might sound simple, but flipping items can turn into a lucrative side gig. Once you've made some sales, consider flipping high-demand items like clothes or electronics. The goal is to create an income stream you control, and that's the first step to building real wealth. Stop waiting for the perfect side hustle. Start with what you have and improve along the way. The longer you wait, the longer you're letting potential income slip by. Side hustles are great, but let's talk about the real wealth building game, passive income. This is money that comes in while you sleep. It takes work up front, but once it's set up, passive income frees you from constantly trading hours for money. For example, if you have some savings, consider putting money into dividend-paying stocks. This means you are earning a return just for holding on to your shares, with the added benefit of potential stock price growth. Then we have digital products. Whether it's an ebook, a course, or templates, digital products are a solid way to earn income on autopilot. Platforms like Hotmart and Teachable or Gumroad, these platforms make it easy to sell online. The key is to set up these streams thoughtfully. Passive income might not make you rich overnight, but it's a powerful tool that grows over time. Building passive income takes effort. If you're expecting quick money, this isn't for you. But if you're committed, it's one of the best ways to achieve financial independence. Think investing in only for stocks? Think again. There are other ways to grow wealth that aren't tied to the traditional market. For example, if you're interested in real estate but don't have the capital for a property, consider real estate crowdfunding platforms. You can invest in real estate projects with as little as few £100 and start earning a return. In P2P lending, you loan money to individuals or small businesses and they pay you back with interest. It's riskier than traditional investments, but it can yield high returns. These alternative investments let you diversify your income without trying everything to the stock market, which is especially helpful when the market's unstable. Please don't let fear hold you back. Wealth building isn't about playing it safe. It's about informed risk. Educate yourself and diversify your investments. Let's face it, if you don't believe you can build wealth outside your job, you will never will. A wealth mindset is about taking control, taking risks, and constantly working towards your goals. That's what separates those who break free financially from those who stay stuck in the 9-to-5 grind. Building wealth doesn't mean working 24/7. It means working smart, being consistent, and reinvesting in your growth. And also, remember to connect with people who are also building wealth outside of their jobs. Their mindset will push you forward even when you feel like giving up. The reality is, if you don't believe in your potential, you will stay where you are. A wealth mindset isn't optional, it's essential. Stop thinking small. Wealth starts in your mind, and if you're not taking steps toward it, you're holding yourself back. Remember, you are not your job, and your job doesn't define your potential. Wealth building isn't about luck or privilege. It's about taking control of your income, making smart investments, and putting your money to work. Your 9 to 5 can fund your journey, but it shouldn't be the end of it. If you are ready to take your finances to the next level, start building wealth outside your 9 to 5 job today. Smash that like button, subscribe, and don't miss my next video. Are you currently working a side hustle, or are you thinking about starting one? Drop it in the comment section. I'd love to hear your story and help you along the way. Let's break free from the 9 to 5 and start building a financial future you control. I'll see you on my next one.